here it is, September 30th, 2018. We're at St. Louis, the St. Louis Arch. We're on the Mississippi River, is that what this is?
Yep, Mississippi River.
Okay.
St. Louis.
Sue's all decked out here today.
Right, it's kind of a lift and separate kind of camera.
Yeah.
Thank you, Roy, for loaning this to us. We're going to try it today, first time we're ever trying it, so we'll let you know how it goes.
We're parked on a very tilted, really weird stone levee walkway here. You can see that the walls are gigantic. They got to be 35, 40 feet tall, trying to keep the water back, and after that they give up. All right, so we're going on a bike ride. We think it's going to be 25 miles. We'll see how it goes.
This is actually the beginning of the St. Louis Riverfront bike trail, and this is called the Graffiti Wall. Good name. Ready, Mark?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Okay, wait.
He's ready. Go, baby. I'd say he's ready. Come on. Oh my God, get on that. Get on that pony. So for pretty much every day we were here, it was in the mid to upper 90s. Today, high of maybe 82. Right now it's in the 70s. Perfect day for a bike ride. Show off. Art everywhere here, even graffiti.
stuff. It's just devastating.
Not that much.
Look at all the different things you see here. You see artwork,
Got a lot of art going on.
revitalization in the distance, a scrap yard, elevated train track.
Looking at garbage. Keep going, look to the right.
There was a time where, when I first started working at Konecranes, they sent me out on jobs like this crane is.
Yeah.
We can't take that building down, so we gotta like fit it in there, you know. Oh. Wow.
Look to the right, honey. Stop looking to the left.
System tight.
You can't look anywhere.
Look at that. That's salt. At first I thought it was water coming out of there.
It looked like it, yeah. Drink water, baby.
About how you can't get away from work. Look what's on the train. Frames from A.O. Smith where I used to work.
I think Mark is having nightmares right now.
Yep.
He's looking at pickup truck frames. Flashback. You
Everywhere
used
I
to
look,
work.
I see my old job. Gas is pretty cheap here, honey, so let's fill up. I'll fill up both tanks and then we'll pull yours in and we can fill both up with yours.
Make it happen, Monaco.
I gotta get the key, this is locked. I'll be right back.
So, Mark, what are you a little nervous about?
We got a ride. Watch my finger all the way back around here, all the way around there, all the way around that industrial area, all the way, and then we got to go past the arch that you see way in the distance. We already rode 13.8 miles, so do the math. I need a sandwich.
On the way back from our crossing the bridge, this is where we got gas, we decided to have a lunch. There's my Marco.
And look at the vandals that they have. They got this beautiful display here, Route 66, you know, and typical hooligans from an area that's known to have people that like start out in one profession and then they end up like in small engine repair or something like that. Look at what you have to put up with. I don't know.
How's your sandwich? He's speechless. Oh my God, he's speechless. Score! Sue does it again.